Welcome to Gifted Hands Homestead. Do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so the next time we upload a video, you are made aware. Well, do not sleep on your local Tractor Supply. Today I had to come up with plan B after the second order of hens were canceled due to bird flu, and they were canceled by major hatcheries. If you've been watching the news, reading articles, or following along, you know that there is a serious outbreak of bird flu. And yes, my hens were canceled from 2 hatcheries because of the bird flu virus that's going around. So I decided to go to my local Tractor Supply and to just kind of look around and see what they had. You know, I can say that they're definitely not my plan A list of hens that I wanted to start off with, but they definitely made the list for plan B. So sit back as we unbox, enjoy. They're so cute and small. And hopefully within 4 to 5 months, we'll have some eggs that are being hatched on the farm. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you soon.